Hello, in this video we will mine Monero. So to do that we will need to install xmrig. So to do that let's open a browser and then search for xmrig. Then open the first link. Now here we will download xmrig. It will say it is dangerous but it is 100% safe. To still get it press keep. Now open the file. Now we will extract the zip. You can use the one built-in or use WinRAR. Now open the folder. In here you can see some files. We only need to make a config with in the website. Go to Wizard to make one. In here press New Configuration and then select the pool you want to use. Then add your address that you have in the pool. In here don't change anything, it won't help. Now press the download button and it will install a JSON file. It might say it is dangerous, but it isn't. Now open File Location and put it in the folder you extracted before. Also replace the old file with the new. Now open xmrig.exe to start mining. If you press H, you will see your hash rate, which means how much power you have. Anyway, thank you for watching.